Honestly, if you tell me this all before, I probably would do nothing with you.
Really?
Just know what? You know what?
Babe.
Why you only come to play so?
No me tell you nothing wrong.
Babe, what wrong with you? What wrong with you? Babe, what wrong? Tell me. Everything will be alright, babe.
You don't know what about me.
Just tell me.
First, you have to promise if me tell you, just hold out. And look, it's up to you still.
Babe, will you ever tell me I'm serious about nothing? I've never.
No, hold out as in just control yourself.
Can you get some?
Yeah, can I drink some? We are talk 5 years now, you know, and we soon married. So, if if we have any secret, we must tell each other, right?
Yeah.
See, I already
Where I go to? I mean, I'm not sure if I ever tell you everything, but I tell you what you need to know.
When you tell me everything if you ever married.
I mean, some stuff are just unnecessary and I just want to leave it. Which part it there?
So you're not going to affect me.
No, I don't want to affect me.
Well, probably it's not going to affect me. Alright, I'm overreact. Alright, you can't go back the light up.
No, babe, no, stop. Tell me. Baby, just don't do that. Don't guess me. Ever tell us, you see, you always guess me up and then don't tell me.
But being probably unnecessary.
Babe.
Probably you're going to love me same way no matter.
Babe, I'm never ever judge you. You know that. You know that. I promise, whatever. We just. You did lie to me?
I don't know what I ever tell you about. I'm a darkest secret.
So tell me. Babe, tell me.
If you just look like you just want to know if you know problem, but when you see it, you're going to judge me.
Just talk. It's almost something about you make you could have run and beat up yourself.
No.
Babe, talk now.
When we were younger.
You want that make a judge from when you're young?
But baby, I don't know, I'm going to tell you that's the thing.
Alright, tell me. You want to watch now?
Yeah, you ever do nothing and like after you know, you set yourself right after you know. Cause like you do something and you never know. Like you never know certain stuff, but after you know the right thing, you just start with the right thing.
Yes.
Alright, but alright, so when I was younger, I did have this cousin, where girl cousin me at about, where me and her already end up get together and we have sex. But we have to leave here so babe. Listen. You see you're not gonna judge me talking.
Nah, do.
Alright, we have sex. And then me did tell her me cheat them about it. Which was my cousin. I'm a cousin, so me did tell me my cousin, me did have older cousins so I look up to. So I tell him, I said, dog, you know say your cousin. So I not like me did really shock about it because even though I not really play them the game but I didn't know but I still go back about 3 times after.
Oh God, you're disgusting. Baby, disgusting. Baby, Foxy, you find out here, go back and disgusting. Babe, sorry, but oh my God, you should have just keep it to yourself. Oh God.
Yeah, so after me.
So babe, we got to a question. You find out. We could get to the bottom of it. You find out and you go back 3 times.
Everybody feel good.
Yeah, family ram.
Babe, why you see me tell you I'll tell anything and you start use it back against her, babe. It's a bother me, babe.
B1.
Babe, yeah, but me not tell you if you touch me now.
Alright, me not judge you, babe, but why you go back 3 times?
It feel good.
First time a mistake, second time a choice.
It was my choice, babe. Come me tell her.
Exactly, so you're family around. You must, if it was your choice, you must come with it.
But babe,
Babe, if me not be honest with you, who will be honest? Because I tell nobody. Babe, you should have never done, you should do it.
But babe, I tell her no, babe, so I don't know. And
now I tell her lie still, I want to sick him.
really, babe.
Babe, honestly, if you tell me this all before, you probably would do nothing with you.
Really?
Baby, just, alright. Me know stuff like that will happen. Me know that sometimes we don't know say your cousin and stuff like that. Or you have people feel like we're not far cousin. But for the fact that you find out you go back 3 times, like if it was 1, we would have said, alright. But 3, babe, me don't know. Me can't look past the 3. Like, that's a lot. I don't want to time though, babe, 3 times. So in all of 4. Wait there! How much time will you do it before the 3? Before you find out? 1? Babe, we have been there fucking up?
More than 10 times.
Oh my god, just white. It's fucking salt. Babe. Is it about you now?
Yeah, because she takes me again and says she don't know if we'll go again.
No, you're fucking. You even sorry for what you do?
Bro, why you think it on your mouth? Me so me I'll be down the place, bro. Why you rub it on my face, man? I never expect you to rub it on my face.
Babe, me not rub it, but me
no, yeah, rub it.
Babe, me not rub it, me ask if you're sorry
Alright,
for what
let me
you do.
rub my whole out my burden by myself, yeah. But that's what I tell people not the inner one. Bro.
Babe, I don't mean it. Are you in it?
Babe, me I tell you a thing, babe, I rub it in, no,
Babe,
babe.
me not, alright, take time talk, babe. More than 10 times, you find out you want to cousin, babe, you should have never go back.
Yeah, me know, babe, me know. Me didn't know at the time, and now me more mature. Because I not say me never have sense at the time.
I mean, when you're young, you do stuff. Me still not tell you say what you do did right. But at the same time, when you're young, you do immature stuff. But babe, the fact that you did find out, alright.
I was 17, babe. I was smart enough to know the right from the wrong. Yeah, me not blame it on being immature.
And you just said that.
Basically, I was.
Alright, babe, when you're young.
Please give me a chance to talk. I said I am more mature now. I did not say I was immature. I said I'm more mature now.
Baby, you're still astray from the facts into the one be so serious, bro. The facts say they find out say your cousin you should have never go back.
Yes,
so if you want to get loud, I can get loud with you, you should go back.
Bro, you argue me over my past.
Baby, not argue, but you get loud, bro.
But like, me try to tell you something, you know, give me a chance to talk.
What are you trying to say?
I say it already. I don't blame it on being immature because I'm not going to try to find one easy way out to make a situation look good, babe. I was 17. I was smart enough to know say it was right or wrong.
Okay, cool. Alright. Then you never did young. When you didn't find out say I did your cousin, why you go back?
Yeah, because I didn't feel good at the time, babe. I never did think I just work with the adrenaline. So me I suffer it, but me say me I tell it to you that you can know you want to going forward in our relationship.
Bro, what am I going to do? Bro, you tell me this like 5 years in a relationship. I go just get up and left you because you did go have sex with your cousin and you never did want to say your cousin?
I don't know. But that's
I mean, I feel disgusted. But and that's something where I go say, alright, I left you alone. I don't get that feeling there from it. But I feel disgusted because, bro, the fact you find out where you go, where you even go back, that's that part where I cringe me out. Like, you know, so if me call you a family around, baby, I can't even stand up because.
But you're not supposed to rub your pass against me like that. You go calm me like no, babe.
Bro, it's just an example. Bro, it's just an example, Jason.
I'm telling you.
Jason, it's just an example. You find out and you go back. Think about it. Think about your actions.
Babe, I think about it every day, babe. So you want to go going forward in a relationship?
What am I going to do? I can't do nothing. What am I going to do? Other than I just always remember both you and feel disgust. Hopefully come off of my mind. I mean, when they tell me say you did do it and you never did know, say because okay, I could have still past that because you never did know and it happened to people. That's what I was trying to say. And you alone it would have ever happened to. But the fact that you find out you go back 3 times after, like, me can't really look past it, babe. Me I try to look past it, me can't look past it because you know now. Now you know and you still do it. Like both of you still do it. The fact that you find out you should have at least pull up on the socks. Like you still go back there. Like why? Now adult. Say it was something that you love. Yeah, obviously you didn't love it. So baby, if me even say, boy, my hide and call your family around. I can't even say nothing because you earned the name like you didn't know and you still go back. Obviously that be a family wrong. If you never did know, I could have never bright and call you that because bro, stuff happen a life this. Me, who knows? Me don't know all of my cousins them. I could have go to my cousin look me don't know. But bro, you earned the name because you find out that you still do it too. You know family wrong. Both of you know. Because you did know. Is it a case where you alone did find out? She never find out?
Yeah.
Exactly. And the two of you know well aware and still go back. What me I go say? Of course me have the right to call your family wrong. I just not gonna rub it in your face. But bro, you didn't know why you would have do that, babe. And it's like this just now add up because knowing the type of person who you is, unless you paint, unless you lie to me, like because you not stay so baby, you're not the type of person here, so me just can't understand. I don't know, me just not get it. Well, pray about it. That's all I can tell you. Whatever is bothering me that I don't talk about, I pray about it and I ask for forgiveness. The fact say you didn't know. I don't know where your prayer will be. Just start out your prayer. Me don't know where you have to pray about at this point. Just start it out. Me not judge you. God love all of we equally. So find your prayer, pray about it. Whatever me do, because I know stuff that I did that I am not proud of, and me pray about it and I ask God for forgiveness. So I'm not going to stand up here and judge you, but at the same time pray about it, because at this point you telling me I cannot do anything. I'm 5 years in the relationship and I've been loving you all along without knowing all of them stuff. So if you just get up and braps, no, I'm not going to left you, I'm not going to judge you, but I just feel disgusted. Like you give me one reason to feel disgust now in the relationship. So I don't know what you want me to do, unless it's a case that you want to tell me something to do, because I not feel that way. Then just, as I said, my only feeling right now towards it is just disgust. And the fact that you find out you still go back 3 times. Like 3. You get me? Stop, why you laugh?
Yeah, it's a prank though. It's a prank though. I will make a prayer to God, say mama. You cannot prank the king and expect to not get pranked back.
Yes, sir.
Hey, who? Oh, mama. Hi, mama. Ooh.
You started what, videos?
Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
I did not even realize. Oh, God.
So, babe, give me my props and my prank act now, baby. Catch you.
You catch me.
I want him to deal with a squad boss like this. And me,
you know, so you have people out there where that happened to do.
I know.
Okay.
Yo.
So I never have no choice but falling for your prank.
No, but you just can't prank me like that and feel like I'm going to just draw a nail. Even if I'm on a break, you got to get prank. For your job, you have to, when you drink all the juice now, that's how we live in. People, what do you think about my prank? You don't say, look, I'm never start ball and I say, no, sir, I can't bother show my tears right now. Like,
it's so easy for your ball, Jason.
I literally dry up back. How that
I
no
never know when I say that, yo.
I literally dry back up in my eye.
I can't go back in my bed, go finish my...
You can't go do what you're doing, you get prank.
I was relaxing.
People, if I feel like me really catch her hot in that prank, yeah, let me get some likes in the like section, let me get some comments. Yo, tell me some video I can post for you. Come on, drop some video for you, man. The break is over. We here already. Back for some videos. Like seriously this time. Yeah. Squad up!